Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to make a catch a turtle game. So it's like basically a game where you like click on a turtle and it goes somewhere else. It's like pretty much a basic thing. You don't like have scores or anything. You just click around and yeah, you just do it for fun. Or like if you're bored or something, you can just click it around. So this project won't take much time. So let's get started. So now we'll type import turtle as T. Now we'll type after that import random as R. Now we'll skip it and now we'll do WN equals T dot screen and we'll put this. Now after that we'll do WN dot title and now we'll type turtle catch game in Python. Okay, now after that we'll do wn.bg color and then we'll do white. You guys can pick any color you want. I'll just pick white for now as it's a classic color. Now we'll do wn.setup and then we'll do this and type width and then we'll do equals 1000 height also equals 1000. You guys can pick any size you want. It's just like basically the pop-up screen like size and like the size that the turtle will move the range. So yeah, that's basically what this does. Now we'll skip this line and do catch underscore turtle equals and then we'll do t dot turtle. All right. Now we'll do catch turtle and then we'll do dot shape and then we'll do turtle. Now we'll also put catch turtle and now we'll do dot color and then we'll type green. You guys can pick any color you want for the background and the turtle, but I don't want to put like two same colors as the BG color and the turtle color because like if you do that you can't see the turtle and the game won't make much sense. So I recommend you guys put two different colors for the BG color and the turtle color. Alright, now we'll do catch turtle and now let's do up dot pen up and we'll put this. Whoopsies. Okay, now let me just exit VS Code for a second. Hold on. Let me open VS Code again. I did this because like one time in my other videos, like this like box showed up and like it caused like a lot of problems in that video. So that's why like I refreshed it so like the box doesn't show. Alright. Now that we fixed that problem again, now we'll go to def and now we'll do move underscore turtle. And now we'll do X comma Y. And we'll put a colon here. Now we'll do catch underscore turtle dot go to, and then we'll put a parentheses here. Now for this we will do r.radnet, radent, and then we'll put another bracket here. Now we'll type minus 240 and then 240. Now we'll exit this bracket here and the parentheses and put comma. Now we'll put a space, and again we'll type, let's just copy this code here. Hold on. Alright, now I did this, and now we'll copy it again. So now we'll do r.radnet minus 240 and 240 again. So that's what it basically does. So now we'll do, we'll go here, and line 16 we'll skip it, and then we'll delete it. And then we'll bind this click event. We'll type catch underscore turtle equals on click, and then we'll do move underscore turtle. Okay, now we'll skip this line and type while true, and then we'll go here, and now we'll type W and the update. Okay, now let's run this code. As you can see, I opened up a box. Now let's play this game. It's very fun, right? Yeah, it's a really fun game. Whoops. Let me bring it down a bit. Okay. Alright. So I guess we'll exit it now. Alright, so yeah, I guess that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's short lesson about how to make a turtle catch game in Python. And please subscribe to my channel and like the videos if you enjoyed them, and share them with your friends so your friends can enjoy more educational videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson.